In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to transfer money from your SoFi account to a bank account. This process is straightforward and easy to follow whether you're using the SoFi app or website. Let's get started by linking your external bank account if you haven't already done so. First, log into your SoFi account using your credentials. Once you're in, navigate to the banking section. Often, you'll find this under SoFi Money or SoFi Checking Savings. Different users might see slightly different interfaces depending on their account types, but don't worry, the steps are generally the same. Look for an option labeled Transfer or Move Money. Clicking on this will take you to a page dedicated to managing your finances across accounts. If you haven't linked an external bank account yet, you'll need to do this to send money outwards. Choose the option Add External Account. You'll then be prompted to search for your specific bank. It may be one of the major banks like Chase, Bank of America, or Wells Fargo. Once you find it, use your external bank's login credentials to securely connect the two accounts. This process is done via Plaid, a service that ensures your information remains confidential and secure. Linking your bank account with Plaid is typically instantaneous, but if you'd rather do it manually, please keep in mind that it might take 1 to 2 business days as it involves micro deposits being sent and verified. With the bank account linked, you can now transfer money from SoFi to your external bank. Navigate back to the Transfer or Move Money section. Enter the amount you'd like to transfer and double check that you have selected the correct external bank account as the destination. These transfers can usually be completed within a few business days, but the exact timing will depend on both SoFi and your external bank's processing times. It's always a good idea to plan ahead if you need the funds by a certain date. And there you have it. You've successfully transferred money from your SoFi account to your bank account. Keep in mind that while this process is generally very smooth, it's important to double check each step, especially when it comes to the details of the transfer amount and the destination account. If you have any issues or need further assistance, SoFi's customer support is always available to help. Thank you for watching. And remember to subscribe for more helpful tips on managing your finances effectively. Have a great day.